entunde ya gatatu yogochirenta amo chinse kurwa Africa na monense ya China hase amaorokererio AOAO yobonchoreria iganyara kobaka gochakiwa se county ya Nairobi gasense ya Kenya yekobarenta amo chikampani chikwetania ememo chie ense ya China na boigo amashirika AOAO wetania merongevere urwa se ense ya Kenya amaorokereria yo harachie koira amatuko atatu nigarachie kubwaterania okorokererigwo kwebinto AOAO ebyo birachie konekia gokinia obonia ande mono gokonya obonchoreria egati yechinse chibere.
We believe the East Africa Kenya Fashion Life Show should be more than simply a place to display the products. Our goal is to create a practical business platform where manufacturers can meet buyers, Kenya business people can find new suppliers and partners, and the international company can better understand the needs and opportunities of the Africa market.
This exhibition provides exactly that opportunity you need. It brings together entrepreneurs, innovators, and investors under one roof, creating meaningful business-to-business engagements, technology transfer opportunities, and access to regional and international markets.